It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make our own stickers. Designing your own stickers is easy and fun to make with materials that you probably already have around the house, and then you can use them for artworks, you can use them to decorate your belongings, and you can give them as gifts. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need to make our own stickers include sticky paper, and this can be address labels, or it can be contact paper, or sheets of sticky paper, which are often sold with or near address labels in the store. You'll need a pen or marker, and you will need something to color your stickers with, and this can be watercolor paint, or markers, or crayons, or colored pencils, or any other art material that you normally use to color and decorate. And you will need scissors. Let's create. First, draw your sticker designs on the sticky paper. You can draw a whole sheet of designs first and color them and then cut them out, or you can do one at a time. You can make really small stickers, or you can make really big stickers. You can make any kind of stickers that you like. After you draw your sticker designs, paint or color your sticker designs with watercolor paint or some sort of art material. Cut your stickers out with the scissors. And you can cut directly along the line that you drew, or you can leave a little margin and cut about 1/8 to 1/4 inch beyond that line. And you can use your stickers to create artworks, to decorate cards or notebooks, to seal envelopes, or to give as gifts. There are lots of ways you can use your fun new stickers.
It's time to experiment and make something great. Let's explore the magic of art.
I hope you enjoyed this art activity.